Okay, so last video I actually didn't have my audio on, so we're gonna we're gonna give this another go. I've got a question here. Um, so I wanted to make it clear that I am taking these examples and questions out of a textbook. It's called Linear Algebra Done Right by Sheldon Axler. It's the fourth edition. So please check it out if you haven't already. And we're just going to go through another example he has here. So we're going to show that alpha beta equals beta alpha for all alpha beta in C, and suppose alpha equals alpha plus, oh nope, not alpha, it's close to being kind of correct. Suppose that alpha equals a plus bi, where I equals the square root of -1, and suppose beta equals c plus di. Okay, so prove that alpha beta equals beta alpha for all alpha beta in C. So C is just the complete set of R, or it's all the R's, I think. Let me see here real quick. Yeah, so R is a subset of C. So C is the complete, right, so the set of all complex numbers is denoted by C. Okay? So that's what we're doing here. All right, so let's prove this. So alpha beta is a plus bi times c plus di. And so we can solve this now. Well, that's a c plus a di plus cbi less bd. And that should make sense to everybody, kind of similar to what we did yesterday. And beta alpha, well, it's just going to be c plus di times a plus bi. So it should be pretty easy to see why these are going to be equal to each other, right? Okay, so CA plus CBI plus ADI less BD. So it's the exact, this is equal. This is equal. Yeah, this is completely, yeah, positive AC, negative BD, and then AD, and CB or BC. Yeah, AD and BC. Now, what they did here, obviously you can choose to do this. It's completely fine. Is they were like, well, the proper way of doing it is AC less BD. Oh, forgot my D there, guys. So just the answer that they gave, so I'm not feeding you incorrect information. They did AC less BD bracket. They did plus bracket CB plus AD times I. So that's what they did. And this is going to be the same either way you look at it. Yeah. So this is our answer. And like we could work our way back and do it for either of these two. It's just gonna be the same thing. So now we've proven that alpha beta equals beta alpha for all alpha beta is C, and we suppose that alpha is equal to A plus BI and beta equals C plus DI. And there you have it. Pretty easy stuff so far. I think this is pretty basic, but I bet it'll get pretty tricky soon.